Hey guys, and welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas. Today we're gonna do a very quick vegan recipe, so stay tuned. You want to start out with your bowl. You want to add your dates, your apricots, is that how you say it, and your nuts, and then you want to add some spice as well, and then your brandy. So this is an alcoholic version of this. You could use water instead if you want to do this non-alcoholic, but then it wouldn't taste like much. And then you want to let that sit overnight, and the next day you want to put that into a blender, as well as some vanilla extract and then your almond milk, and all the exact measurements are down below. And then you basically just want to blend it all together until it is one, just liquid fluid texture. You don't have any bits in there anymore. And then you're ready to enjoy. Now this is not exactly eggnog, but it does taste like Christmassy almond milk. And so yeah, I hope you try this. Let me know what you think down below, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!